My customers, they ask always for a long-term solution for refrigerant. So there is not much alternative for what I can use for deep freezing. It's either it's CO2 or this new refrigerant, the LX40. With this GWP of 148, we stay well below the limit of the European Union of 150. So we think that for the future, this will be the gas for the bakery industry, next to the CO2, of course.
As a long-term solution.
Yes,
yeah.
It always is about a long-term solution because the customers do not want to switch refrigerants. It's unnecessary cost for them.